In this video, I'm going to reveal something special, something that I've never revealed before. I am going to reveal the top 5, I have done that before, but they are the latest and greatest ClickBank products that we have to offer you as an affiliate. We've got a little bit of everything in today's list, from digital programs to dietary supplements to an incredible e-business, make money online offer, and position what? Number 1? It's intriguing, isn't it? If you're ready to find out your next winning offer, I've got the goods. I'm, as what the kids say, on fleek. I'm cooking. I got that Riz.
The Rizzler.
Yo! What's up? Woo! Yeah, man, I am on fire. So let's get moving. In spot number 5, we have a new nerve pain supplement called Arya Leaf. It's a unique formula that helps address nerve pain in a market that's eager for real relief. So if you can drive consistent sales with high click-through and conversion rates, well, this is the offer for you. Plus, you can trust the proven success of this offer, which features a powerful video sales letter, real actors, optimized storytelling, plus a ready-to-use library of creatives to launch your campaigns quickly. We're talking video ads, we're talking banners, we're talking email swipes, and more. So, all told, Arya Leaf is a unique opportunity for you to tap into a top converting neutral offer, scale your traffic, earn steady commissions while solving a major literal pain point for customers. I'm talking literal. So grab your link now. So let's talk about those numbers, shall we? We got an EPC of $1.12, an average payout value of $180.62, and a hot conversion rate of 0.66%. It's good. It's gold. It's Arya Leaf. Gold Leaf? Arya Leaf. Go, promote it. And let's go to number 4. A little bit of a switch, getting into the women's health because I'm an ally. In position number 4, we have a classic, and dare I say strong, offer from Alex Miller, which is Pelvic Floor Strong. This is an at-home video program designed to help women strengthen their pelvic floor, reduce bladder leakage, and flatten their bellies, which makes it an attractive solution for over 200 million women worldwide. Created by a leading women health specialist, Pelvic Floor Strong has already proven itself as a top performer in ClickBank's marketplace for more than 3 years running. Yeah, you heard that right. So when you promote Pelvic Floor Strong, you'll benefit from high conversion rates, generous average earnings per click, and a remarkable 90% commission on the entire funnel. You'll also appreciate the low refund rates paired with ongoing optimization of the product sales funnel and marketing swipes, and all of this translates to more revenue for you and fewer headaches for when you promote other digital products. So if you want to make a real impact by helping women reclaim their confidence, and you want to reap the financial rewards that come with promoting a well-established top-tier health offer for women, well, Pelvic Floor Strong is exactly what you need. So go sign up, hit that promote button, get started, and let's talk about those numbers. We got an EPC of 86 cents, an average payout value of $75.85, and a hot conversion rate of 1.15%. I mean, man, those are some good numbers. It works great on email, on paid, on native. It's just a great offer, and it's always converting. So go, promote it, get after it. So you want to hear from the best of the best, and I'm not talking about myself, even though I sweat excellence every single day. No, I'm talking about diamond clients, diamond affiliates, and advertisers. How can you hear from them? Our podcast, the Affiliated Podcast. There's going to be a link right here that our team is going to put, and you can click this button to subscribe. You're going to be able to hear great podcasting content from our team and the very best in the industry. And we just dropped a ton of content from our recent Diamond Summit. So go, hit it up, learn from them. Don't just learn from me, man. What are you standing around for? Actually, stay around, watch the rest of this video, then watch the other ones. Next level. Open your third eye. All right, rolling into number 3, we are introducing a new supplement. What? New? Yeah. PaddleBurn. This is a groundbreaking supplement designed to target the root cause of all that stubborn belly fat. Eating. No, compromised liver function. It's formulated with carefully chosen Mediterranean plants and super nutrients that work together to optimize the body's natural processes. Obviously, the weight loss market is always in demand, and with a PaddleBurn, you also get a powerful angle of detoxifying the body through optimal liver function. And as an affiliate, you'll benefit from a PaddleBurn's generous commissions. And it's easy to get started, bro. With the bank of video ad creatives, marketing materials, And most importantly, this offer has been crafted to convert with a great hybrid style landing page and VSL. If you want to get started promoting a PaddleBurn, just visit the ClickBank marketplace. Oh my gosh, it's like there's a theme. Go there and grab your tracking link right now. And why should you? Well, we're talking about an EPC of $2.42. What? And an average payout value of $195.27, a hot conversion rate of 1.39%. I mean, damn, that's some good numbers. So go, promote it, get cracking today. So let's get moving, shall we? Let's take a breath. Let's just dial it in because we got a brand new offer. It's called Breathe. Just feel it in. Breathe in with me. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? This product is a respiratory health offer serving a market of more than 500 million people, and it's largely untapped right now. The product itself is, can you feel it? And for you as an affiliate, you'll get a high converting VSL featuring a real respiratory therapist. You get an offer that the vendor has already tested with more than $1 million in ad spend. And of course, like any quality offer, they've given you all the things: campaign stats, demographic data, guidelines, custom hop links, ad swipes, lander templates, videos, product images. It makes julienne and fries. That was a lot. But you're in good hands with this offer. So if you want to promote a great product in an interesting, untapped niche, well, I recommend you check out Breathe in the ClickBank marketplace today because it's got an EPC of $1.04, an average payout value of $156.20, and a hot conversion rate of 0.68%. I mean, damn, just makes you just want to take it all in, take a deep breath, and really feel yourself in the universe and make some money. So go, promote it today. At number one, the one you've been patiently waiting for, the moment that you've wanted to arrive. Well, what's the number one offer on ClickBank for the month of June 2025? Well, it's Fast Wealth. So fast you just barely missed it. This digital program boasts a simple but fresh approach to a digital income, snagging short, catchy, unregistered domains for about $7, but that are independently valued at thousands of dollars. Make Money Online audiences will love the excitement of picking up a domain worth between $2,000 and $10,000 or more for the price of a latte. That's an expensive latte. And as an affiliate, you can promote an offer that basically sells itself. Fast Wealth has an affordable entry point, eye-popping third-party valuations, and the promise of passive income that will create irresistible curiosity throughout these digital vending machine domains. There's also a clever AI angle that spots domain gems before anyone else. And best of all, you pocket 75% on every sale throughout the upsell flow. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. This product is an easy win for you and a thrilling opportunity for buyers who want a ready-made moneymaker. So promote this opportunity to share how a single domain can turn into a valuable online asset with minimal effort and maximal earning potential. So head over to the marketplace and promote this one. It's killer. Now, they are even offering CPA, so you're gonna wanna ask them about it. And the numbers, they're gonna speak for themselves. We got an EPC of $2.63, an average payout value of $81.69, and a hot conversion rate of 3.25%. Damn, that's just really good. I mean, that's a really good offer. eBiz Digital, we got something for everyone this month. And bonus, we got some new offers for you. We have Pyramid Wealth Frequency that comes to you from a platinum vendor. We also got Alpha Surge, which is a men's health supplement from a diamond vendor. And guess what? I'm not gonna leave you without a contest because we got a contest just for Father's Day. It's called the Father's Day Face-Off, Fit for a King. Its contest dates are between June 13th and June 22nd. And if you promote these three offers, Prostapeak, Glucto-Estend, and Neurosurge, boom, you are eligible to get entered into this contest and make yourself some extra cash from that advertiser. So go promote those offers and make yourself some money. So if you're looking for a proven offer to promote, why are you still sitting here and why aren't you promoting? And if you're not sure how to get started, hey, look at all these other things starting to pop up right now over my face that teach you how to promote our top products, like this one about a Pinterest affiliate, or this one about creating affiliate landing pages that convert. So go, hit that like and subscribe button and drop us a comment with any questions you have. I'll even answer them, maybe.